Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ àti bìtẹ̀ tí ń gbọ́ wa. This is crossblogxtv. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Wunmi àti kéèsì Mohbad yìí náà ni o. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Wunmi Karimo ó ti tú ọ̀pọ̀ àṣírí rẹpẹtẹ. Pé kí ni ká ti gbọ́? Báwo ló ṣe máa bá ọmọ jà? Àwọn ẹbí ọmọ jà lórí property. Wọ́n ní ìjà property ni ìjà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí o. Pẹ̀lú Adura àti Wunmi àti ìyá Wunmi wọ́n ní wọ́n pàdé àpòpọ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ gba billions owó Mohbad. Ó ní Karimo jáde pé ẹ wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká dàrọ̀ ká tún palẹ̀ pé kó tó lè lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ sí kinní á jẹ́ pé ó wà legally married sí Mohbad. Tó bá dẹ̀ wà legally married sí Mohbad á jẹ́ pé ọmọ tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n ní proof pé ọmọ àwọn ni. Wọ́n ní kó dẹ̀ ṣe DNA, òun dà wọ́n ríboríbo, ó dẹ̀ ló ní proof sí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Báwo ló ṣe ní proof? Àwọn wo ló ń kí ẹ láyà? Báwo ni gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe jẹ́? Ẹ wò ó, Karimo tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀, ẹja àjọgbọ̀ lẹ́nu Karimo. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion yín sínú comment, ẹja àjọgbọ̀.
Wọ́n bá sọ pé Liam Mohbad gan ló ní ọmọ, ṣé ìwọ nìkan ló máa dáko ni? Ayé ò já. Ṣé o rò pé wọ́n máa mọ̀ pé ayé wà? Ìwọ ọmọ yìí anyways, wọ́n ti mú ẹ̀rìn. I'm not surprised, wọ́n ti mú ẹ̀rìn now. Wọ́n dẹ̀ yọ̀ǹda nǹkan yẹn fún ẹ. Dúró náà, ẹ dúró. Àbí torí àgbàlagbà tó tọ́ mi ló jẹ́ kí n máa ronú báyìí ni. So, ká ní pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ kóòtù yẹn, kóòtù á yọ̀ǹda fún ẹ. Láìsí orúkọ bàbá ọmọ ń bẹ̀. Wàá gba ogún yẹn. Wàá wá lọ jẹ́. Ó máa rí bí iṣẹ́ sí o. Wọ́n torí ogún pààyàn, wọ́n torí ogún yàyàn wèrè. Ṣé ìyá ẹ náà mọ̀? Ìyá ẹ mọ̀ sí ìgbésẹ̀ tó gbé yẹn. Ìgbésẹ̀ tó gbé yẹn ìyá ẹ mọ̀ sí. Ogún tí ò tó yẹn gan wọ́n torí ẹ̀ para wọn. Wọ́n ń jara wọn wèrè, wọ́n ń ṣera wọn níṣekúṣe. Tó bá jẹ́ pé what I'm trying to say is that even though the court grant you that request, you will walk away with all that property without involving the family, the father of the deceased. You will walk away with that heavy money. If the court grant you and Adura will walk away with it without involving the father of the deceased. Kó tó kú lòkú lè sẹ́, bàbá ọmọ ló lọ́mọ. Tí Jòsí bá hùwà wèrè, ká sọ pé hùwà wèrè. Ó dájú o. You are so callous. Ta ló tó ẹ, ta ń bí ẹ. Wọ́n torí ogún pààyàn. Wọ́n torí ogún ṣèyàn níṣekúṣe. Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún I told you when I was in Nigeria. Your kí ni mo ṣe sọ́nà? Be singing this chorus. I don't want property o. I don't want property. Tí n bá sọ fún ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ, kí ẹlẹ́dàá ẹ kó fi ìyà jẹ mí. Mo ní máa pariwo pé ò fẹ́ ogún o. Mo níyẹn ò ní pé wọn ò ní fún ẹ ní nǹkan tó bá máa fún ẹ, wọ́n á fún ẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn pé mi ì fẹ́ ogún o. Ikú tó pa ní kẹ́ bá ń wá o. Ikú tó pa ní kẹ́ bá ń wá. Mo kẹ́rù sọ́kọ̀ tán, mo lọ tán. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe nǹkan míì. Ṣọ́tírí. Èmi ò ní kọ́ ẹ nìkan kúkọ wèrè yìí. Mi ì bá lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó tọ́ mi. So if the court release that if they grant you that request, you have the heart and the conscience to walk away with it, you and Adura. And you think the rest of the family, the extended family, the father of the deceased, they will allow you to walk away. You Adura and Mohbad. They will let you guys walk away. Now, that aside, do you know what do me look on here? Hey, ẹ̀mí ẹ yí o, ọkàn ẹ yí gan o. Ah, gbogbo ohun tó ń fà lẹ́sẹ̀ yìí, ọkàn ẹ yí gan. Ogun mà ni, ogun. Hey. That aside, you did not want to do DNA and you want to claim his property. Are you mad or something? Eh? Kí ló dé tí irú mi yóò jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n Mohbad náà? Kí ló dé tí kò ń ṣe irú mi lẹ̀gbọ́n Mohbad? Are you mad or something? You don't want to do DNA and you are claiming property. Are you mad or something? The certificates, the templates, the certificates, the key to the strong room of that property from your own side is your DNA result. DNA result is Liam Ouni certificate. Your own part. I'm not saying Baba Mohbad is entitled to the property. Iya Mohbad is entitled to it. Adura is entitled to it. Every aloba only she property ọmọ wọn bó ṣe wù wọ́n. But as long as if you were married legally, tó ní certificate yẹn lọ́wọ́, if you have that certificate with you, that is your own key as the wife to the property. But as it is now, as it is now, ogun ló máa pa ẹ́. Ẹ mọ̀ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nǹkan tèmi bá jáde tí n bá wá fún yín jẹ, wọn bí yín dá kó má wọ̀ yín lára. As it is, the key to the strong room of that property from your own side, is Liam DNA. It is Liam DNA. You've been dragging DNA since November 2024 now. But what is going on in the Nigerian judiciary system too? Come today, they just kept on adjourning. These are taxpayers' money. These are taxpayers' money. There is a lot of cases that needed to be treated, but they are wasting time. On just one, they kept on adjourning it. Is it a child's play? Has it now become a child's play? With taxpayer money. Some people in Nigeria, they are paying tax. Baba Mohbad, me, I'm saying that, if she does not do that DNA, she will not be entitled to anything, and don't bury Mohbad. She has to do that DNA because she has to do that DNA. Baba Mohbad, tí kò bá ṣe DNA yẹn, ẹ má sin o, ẹ dẹ̀ má jẹ́ kó nípìn nínú ogún Mohbad. Shebi, you said Liam belonged to them. Hey, give them the authentication now. Give them the authenticity that child belonged to them. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Why wouldn't you want to do DNA and say you want to claim property? Are you mad or something? You are now picking people up. You are arresting people. Why have you not sent me why have you not petitioned me now? Wunmi Adebanjo, why have you not petitioned me? Ṣé olórí burúkú ni ìwà àti lawyer Kabiru ni? Ṣé you and your lawyer Ogun fẹ́ pa yín méjèèjì ni? Why did you not petition me? Why are you picking people up? Leave those one alone. Me, I'm saying my own and I'm referencing to it. Pick me up, petition me. Shebi all your apokojayes, a lot of them are in America here. Tell them to sue me from America. If I'm not in Nigeria, because you have power in Nigeria, I'm not in Nigeria. But tell you, shebi you people are rich. Tell your apokojaye to donate money and petition me. Wunmi, if you did not do DNA, go and let Aloba family knows that that son belongs to them or does not belong to them. You are not entitled to that property. You are a thief. There is no two names to it. You are a thief. You want to eat your cake and have it. And that will not be done. That is not going to be done. Only Igara Olosha. As a matter of fact, Wunmi, if you see a gun in broad daylight, you will rob a bank. With this attitude of yours, there's an adage in Yoruba that says, "To ba ribon wa fo banki." Pẹ̀lú wa olórí burúkú tó wù yìí. 4 months after the pie of your husband. The reason why you kept that boy in the mud till up to now is going to be 3 years. In a twinkle of an eye now. It's not up to a month anymore. Less than a month now. It's going to be 3 years in that mug. You kept him. You guys were fighting back to back because of property. The reason why Mohbad is still in that mug today, suffering, maybe there is electricity or there is no electricity. The reason why he's still in that mug is because you want property, the family want property. Bíbélì ní tí wọ́n bá ṣe rere ara kì yóò yá ọ bí. If you have nothing to be scared of, do DNA and let them know if that boy belongs to them or not. Fakati shikena. So they will be. Ìjọ tí Mohbad bá pé ọdún mẹ́ta níbẹ̀ yẹn. Wájẹ́ burúkú ìyà ní ọwọ́ mi. Má sọ ìyálà ìyá ọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ. Lọ́jọ́ tọ́mọ yẹn bá pọ́dún mẹ́ta ńbẹ̀. Àti ya Mohbad. Máa fún ẹ ní kòbókó ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ. Shebi, you know what you are hiding. Abi, you and Iya Mohbad don't know what you are hiding. Both of you know what you are hiding now. You and Iya Mohbad, you know what you are hiding. That's why you cannot do the DNA. If you know you are not hiding anything, DNA is a must. You have to do that DNA. You will do it. Cannot walk away shamelessly from that property. Meme, good morning, Jerry. If you know you cannot do DNA, walk away shamelessly from that property. Do you know what? That property is Mohbad's sweat. He was tortured. He was bullied. He was beaten because of that property. You cannot just come and claim it. No. In his dead state, in Mohbad's dead state, Mohbad will prefer, what Mohbad will prefer is that his sweat and his blood goes to his family. So if Liam is Mohbad's blood, so be it. Jùmọ̀kẹ́, Ògún ló máa pa ló máa pa wá àti Wùnmí. Ògún ló máa pa ló máa pọ̀ wá àti Wùnmí. Olórí burúkú. Aloba family owns Mohbad. Aloba owns Mohbad. Àtọ̀húnrìnwá òun ni wọ́. Ìyàwó ni ẹ́. Ó yà wá síbẹ̀ ni. Now, it's not even about property alone. Ṣé mọ̀ pé tí ọmọ yẹn bá jẹ́ ọmọ Mohbad, ìran Mohbad ò parun bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tí Liam bá bímọ, Mohbad náà ṣì nìyẹn, ìran ẹ̀ ò parun nìyẹn. Aside from property, the family need to know pé ṣọ́mọ wọn ò kì í ṣe jò tó kàn kọjá lórí àpáta. Yàtọ̀ yìí mo dẹ̀ jọ ọmọ Yorùbá jù ló jẹ́ kí n máa ronú bẹ́ẹ̀. Àbí kí lẹ sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn? Wọ́n ní láti mọ̀ pé ṣé kìí ṣe pé ọmọ àwọn kọjá lórí àpáta. Nǹkan tó bá dẹ̀ jọ òun ló fi ń wéhun. Tó o bá rìn níbi bèbèrè ọtí mímu wọn ní pé ẹ lọ́lọ́tí o. Tí o bá rìn níbi wọ́n ní àgùntàn tó bá jáyìn àjẹgbẹ́. Ìwọ ló mọ nǹkan tó ti ṣe ńgbà tọkọ ẹ wà láyé. Ìwọ ló mọ wá wèrè tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Ìwọ ló mọ rí wèrè tó wù ńgbà tọkọ ẹ wà láyé ló ṣe fi lọ́kùlọ lù ẹ́. Àwọn ẹbí ọkọ tèmi ò lè béèrè irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi. Màá kọ́kọ́ bi wọ́n pé kí ló fẹ́ fà. Tí n bá dẹ̀ ṣe fún wọn tán, màá wá bá wọn po wèrè. Màá bá wọn po wèrè gan. So you have to do that DNA. If you don't want to do it, walk away from that property. You will walk away from that property shamelessly. Just think. Is it that type of property that you want to claim? The property that this boy sweat for? The property that he was tortured for? The property that they beat him, like they treated him anyhow for? That's the type of property you want to claim. And you think you will enjoy it. Even if the whole of Aloba family said, go, we dash you, so you will take it. You will take it. Hey. Eh? Sleepless nights that he will be composing in the studio. He will not sleep. Eh? He will be thinking about how to write song, how to compose. You now want to take it. You now took Adura along. Oh, ipe kanye, ika, ọ̀dájú ọmọdé ni. You took Adura along 4 months to the pile of your husband. 4 months. So if the court granted you that request, if the court granted you, you will take it. Ah, ọ̀dájú o. Ọ̀dájú lọ́mọ. Ọ̀dájú. And let me tell you something. Ṣorí nǹkan tí àgbà fi ju ọmọdé lọ, wọn kì í fi wọn abẹ́wé ló máa wà. Tó bá wá tún fi wọn mú lé lọ́wọ́. Ṣé you see all those people that are siding you? All those your area sister, area mother, your queen mother, everybody, queen sister, queen auntie, queen brother. That money, they know that money is a lot. And they will take it from you and you will not be able to come out and talk. Oh, they will, what? After that money gets into your hand, they will end up taking that money from you. And you will not be able to come out to talk. And if you try to come and talk, nǹkan tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n parọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ. Ló bá tán, they will threaten you that they will come out and lie on you. Ló bá tán. You think people will not believe them? They will believe them. Àwa di kàkà kékú má jẹ sèse, a fi ṣàwádànù. Ẹ ǹlẹ́ o, àdúrà. Nọgbọ̀nọgbọ̀ ṣọ̀nṣọ̀n, olè. Olè. Èmi là ń pa, àpá là ń pa, àwa là ń pa, olè. Jàgùdà agẹṣikólé. Ṣé ohun tó yẹ kó fi sọ́fẹ̀ gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni? Is this how you are supposed to pay your brother back? But Adura, you once said nobody should call you an Aloba now. You wrote it that they should not call you Aloba. Why do you want to claim what belongs to Mohbad Aloba? Promise Aloba. Adura, shebi you wrote it on you posted it that call me Analoba ko shekini kon. You said they should not call you Analoba. Why do you want to now claim something that belongs to Analoba? Eh? Adura,